Enzyme Kitchen Cleaner DIY pest control products break down food residues that attract cockroaches and flies so you can prevent infestations before they start. Use an enzyme-based degreaser that lists protease, amylase, and lipase on the label because those enzymes target proteins, starches, and fats respectively. Dilute according to the manufacturer and apply to drains, drain covers, sink basins, under appliances, and inside cabinet corners where food particulates accumulate. For drains, pour the product into slow drains, let it sit for the recommended dwell time, and then flush with warm water to carry reaction byproducts away without dispersing residues elsewhere. For crevices and seams, apply with a small brush or spray bottle so the enzymes reach the residue. Avoid wiping immediately so the enzymes have time to digest organic matter. Pair enzyme treatments with regular mechanical cleaning, like scraping, vacuuming, or hot water rinsing, because enzymes work best when gross soils are removed first. Maintain a consistent schedule based on traffic and food types, for example, weekly in high-use commercial kitchens and every 2 weeks in typical home kitchens, and adjust frequency if you notice odors or pest activity. Store concentrated enzyme products in a cool, dark place and avoid mixing with bleach or quaternary ammonium cleaners, since those can inactivate enzymes and create hazardous gases. The most common mistake is treating visible grease only and leaving drains and hidden seams untreated. Solve this by routinely applying enzymes into drains and behind equipment where residues concentrate. Another issue is short contact time from rinsing too quickly or wiping immediately after application. Allow the recommended dwell time and then rinse to remove dissolved matter. A third problem is relying solely on enzyme cleaners while ignoring exclusion and traps. Use enzyme cleaning alongside mechanical exclusion measures like sealing gaps and using baited traps so you address both attractants and pests themselves. We built BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to kitchen sanitation and remodeling. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, product experiences, and local contractor recommendations to support practical pest prevention and cleaner kitchens.